R is like a secret weapon for statisticians and data scientists. It was created in 1993 by two genius minds, Rossi Haka and Robert Gentleman at the University of Auckland, New Zealand. With R, they revolutionized the way we analyze, visualize, and model data. But why is R so popular? Well, it's simple. R is a powerhouse when it comes to handling massive amounts of data. It can easily process and manipulate data, and with its extensive library of functions, it can perform complex statistical analysis like a boss. And the best part is, R is open source and free for everyone to use. That's right, anyone can contribute to its development and make it even better. This has led to a massive community of users and developers who work together to make R the best it can be. And, if you're new to R, don't worry, this community has got your back. With a plethora of tutorials, online courses, and forums, you'll be a pro in no time. But wait, there's more. R is not just a one-trick pony, it's also a general-purpose programming language. This means that you can use R for a variety of tasks like data manipulation, web scraping, and even machine learning. And with its rich library of functions and packages, the possibilities are endless. And let's not forget about collaboration. With R, data scientists and statisticians can share their work and collaborate on projects with ease. R provides a platform for reproducible research, which means that anyone can verify and replicate the results. How cool is that? In conclusion, R is a flexible, powerful, and user-friendly language that is perfect for data analysis, visualization, and statistical modeling. With its open-source nature, active community, and reproducible research, R is a must-have tool for anyone in the data and statistics field. So, there you have it, folks. If you're looking to take your data analysis game to the next level, then R is the way to go. Thank you for watching, and let's get coding.